Here's a Brooks, double-breasted. You can see this one also works. Kind of a trenchy coat. It comes fully lined. It has the angle pockets. It's got the button sleeves, tabs here that actually work with 2 buttons. Inside here, we see it has the satin lining, the other lining, a button to hold it. It has the rain cape, so when the water comes, it drips away from you instead of on you. And here in the rear, we see this is a pleat. This is not a vent. Inside here, we see it's full satin lined. This zips out. It has reinforcing buttons behind the front buttons to take up some of the pressure. Here we see the dry clean only professionally. Don't dry clean at home. It has the pass-through pockets. It is satin lined. Here's your Brooks label. It has a leather hanging strap, and it's fighting with me. Okay, it has inside here more undisclosed pockets that you can slip things into. This lining zips out, as we mentioned, and it goes down all the way. It has no belt, but otherwise